Good morning. This is my first lecture for class 10th. Unit test first. Syllabus for unit test first. First chapter, cell division and structure of chromosomes. Second chapter, which is coming, ascent of sap. Third chapter, circulatory system. So let's start with the first chapters, that is cell division and structure of chromosomes. Cell division is also known as cell reproductions, by which in this process the one cells again and again divide and form new cells. So in beginning, the definition of cell division or the cell reproductions is the formation of new cells from pre-existing cells. Or cell division is the process by which a cells after replication or duplication of its all contents is split up to form 2 or 4 cells. The cells which undergoes the division is called mother cell, while the newly formed cell are called daughter cell. For example, here this is a pre-existing cells. So this pre-existing means primitive cells is called mother cells or parent cells, and this mother cells enter into division process. So while this division process, this cells is split and give rise to 2 or 4 cells. 2 or 4 cells means it is depend on the type of divisions, whether it is divided by the mitosis. In the mitosis process, how many daughter cells formed here? 2. And if the cells divide by the meiosis division, so it give rise to 4 cells, 4 daughter cells. Now the second heading, that is types of cell division. Types of cell division. Types of cell divisions means how many type of cell divisions presents. So here first type of cell divisions, that is mitosis divisions, and second type of cell divisions, that is meiosis cell divisions. Mitosis cell divisions generally occurs in which type of cells? Mitosis cell divisions occurs in somatic cells of the organism body, and meiosis cell divisions occurs in germ cells or germinal epithelium. So here we want to give a simple idea about the somatic cells and germ cells. What do you mean by the somatic cells and germ cells? So take example of a plant body. Suppose that this is a plant body. Here we are taking example of plant body. So it is a leaf, okay, stem, roots, and the another part here, it is the style, ovary, stigma, and the male reproductive part, anthers and filaments. So simply we divide this whole plant body into 2 parts: root, stem means it's just a shoot part, or leaf. This part of the plant body is called vegetative part, and this is means the ovary, style, stigma, and anthers. It is the flowers. Okay, so generally this is called reproductive part. Okay, so reproductive parts, which type of cells present in the reproductive part means the ovary, style. Okay, so here which type of cells presents? Germ cells. Which type of cells presents? Germ cells. And the vegetative parts means the leaf, stem, roots. This whole part is made up of which type of cells? It is made up of somatic cells. Okay, so come on the type of cell divisions. Mitosis cell division occurs in somatic part. Somatic part means the leaf, stem, and roots. And the second type of cell division, that is meiosis. So this type of cell division occurs in the which type of cells? Germ cells, means the anthers and the ovary cells. Anthers means here the importance of the mitosis and meiosis. What is the importance here? Why the mitosis here? Growth and regeneration of parts of the plant or animal body occurs. And meiosis divisions, what is here the importance of meiosis? Gamete formations. So gamete formations occurs with the meiosis, and the growth and regenerations of the plants or animal body occurs through the mitosis divisions. And so simply it is important for your examination point of view. Mitosis divisions occurs in which type of cells? Somatic cells. Meiosis divisions occurs in which type of cells? Germ cells. Okay, so it is clear now. Now, according to your syllabus for board class means 10th, out of these two type of cell divisions, mitosis or meiosis, only which type of important here? Mitosis. It is in your syllabus, but meiosis division is also in your syllabus, but a brief idea about it. We will discuss this later, how much portion is coming in your examinations. Okay, so here we start with the which type of divisions, that is mitosis. Which type of divisions? Mitosis. Okay, mitosis divisions are simply the discovery of mitosis divisions. Who coined the term mitosis? Walter Fleming. It is also known as the father of cell divisions. Okay, and meiosis divisions, the term meiosis divisions coined by the Farman and Morey. So mitosis divisions given in 1882, and meiosis divisions given by the Farman and Morey in 1905. So let's start with mitosis divisions in the next video.